Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
How are y'all? I told them I was up in your video that we'll have on your page. I was like, well, they can't even see me, and I'm just sitting here talking. So I thought, well, we'll do a quick little video for our family page, and
We are making a new video tonight.
somebody requested it, right?
Mhm.
You'll have to watch the video to find out who and what it is. And
But
there's
it's
no
something
sneak peeks over there.
and it's something we all like.
So, yep. Except for me, I don't think I can have it. I like it when I'm.
You can have sausage.
Yeah, I can eat the sausage out of it. Okay, tell them that else. It's a secret.
Oops.
So what have y'all been up to?
Well, I was gonna tell y'all something, but I already said it in the video, so y'all would have had to watch it.
Oh. So we really have nothing to say, huh? Let's see. I'm recovering from this weekend, from being exhausted, but lots and lots of fun. Setting up for the party, taking it down. There was a whole lot of us that jumped in and made it happen. It was a beautiful party, but anyway, that was a fast weekend, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Taking down's a whole lot quicker than putting it up, because you got to find that perfect spot for every little thing and then rearrange it.
I was there on Saturday, helping.
She was supervising, letting us know what
More
we needed
like
to do better.
supervising.
Is that what you were doing?
Mhm.
Laying down the letter of the law?
I mean, I helped Mama out a little bit.
I know. I'm so glad Mama. I didn't have any pictures of upstairs, and Mama sent them to me earlier. So I think I maxed out the photos that I could.
2 photos.
I took a lot more than that, but it only lets you post 80 at a time. Not that anybody should have more than 80, but I'm extra like that. So anyway, but Mama sent me some upstairs pictures, so if y'all are interested, I can show them to you guys.
We were there for a long time.
Yes, we were, but it looked pretty and it was worth it, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. It was a big place with a lot of square footage.
But it was fun. Lots of fun. I'm not a party planner. I will do whatever you tell me to do, but I'm not. I'm gonna have to. I don't know if I wanted to get any better at that. It's like planning out every little detail, Because it's like I know what I want in my head, and then like making it happen and making sure you have everything, which I wasn't bad. I mean, I'm not criticizing myself at all or anybody else. So it all was great. It just took longer than I expected.
Anyways, we will get the video posted on my page, and y'all can go and check it out. Also, if y'all don't know about my page, y'all can go follow me.
What's the name of your page?
Caitlin Martin's Kitchen.
Which kitchen is that?
Caitlin Martin's.
This kitchen?
Oh, yeah.
Y'all have a wonderful night. I hope y'all enjoyed all those pictures.
Bye, everyone.